The sweet sound of Brock's exhaust. Let's go back to stock. The very restricted Gen 2 Suzuki HAYABUSA exhaust system. And now let's hear that CT Series Brock's Performance exhaust system rumble. Look at how beautiful it looks. What a difference. Let's give you a shot from the rear. Those big, heavy canisters. It's hard to hear this motorcycle come in stock, but not anymore. Let's hear that Brock's Performance rumble. And of course, the new system is full titanium construction with a carbon fiber tip. It looks so sweet compared to the stock unit. Take a look. The difference in sound and performance is astounding and unparalleled. Let's go back to stock once again. Marked difference even in the idle. Folks at Brock's Performance in Dayton, Ohio have outdone that is just too much fun and worth every penny. Guys, if you want your motorcycle to sound like that, make sure you visit brocksperformance.com. This system retails for $1,899, but keep a close watch on the site. Brock always runs specials and sales at different points in the year. Also, make sure you mention that you saw this video on cycledrag.com. There may be special hookups available from time to time. It is a wonderful system that I promise you, you will not be dissatisfied with. You also get to select from increased drivability / fuel mileage, pump gas maps, or race proven maps, whichever one you want. This includes a Brock's lifetime direct support package at no additional charge. Take advantage of this world-class craftsmanship, fit, and finish. This pipe is truly something special. We also invite you to check out the Brock Davidson videos that we have on the Cycle Drag YouTube page, where Brock offers tips to go drag racing. Remember, Brock was the first man to ever put a street bike in the 7-second zone. He knows what he's talking about. Make sure you check it out. We also go inside Brock's shop and show you his legendary Suzuki Bandit and the Hayabusa known as Chronic, which was the first Gen 2 8-second Busa. We'll also just keep doing this because it is simply too much fun.